Muthenya wa Jumaa njega kiri kiambiriria kia ihinda ria Bathaka, akristiano kundu gutiganite marokete makanitha-ini kunyitanira kiririkano-ini kia uria Jesu athĩnirio na gukua niguo gukura andu mehia-ini. Ndumiriri-ini ciao atongoria a kanitha moete mweke uyu kuhunjia bata wa gwicirania handu ha guikara miturire ya mwiyendo mugwe uria werekeirio ateti guku bururi-ini.
Makiheana o mundu agitungatira uria ungi tondu mahinda-ini maria turi ni ati mundu akwenda guikara ari wiki ateguikara na andu aria angi ndekwenda andu aria angi arenda kuhang'ania na maundu make mwene ona kana ni utongoria andu marahang'ania na maundu mao ene.
We have been called and invited to empty ourselves for the sake of others. The problem we have in our humanity today, not only in Kenya, the world over, is that when people are sent to leadership, it's an opportunity for them to amass for themselves or to control for themselves and leave out the rest of the people outside. Our call is, as we follow Christ, is a moment of self-emptying.
No mahinyiriirie bata wa andu kuiga thayu na uiguano na gwithema na mutugo wa guikanagiria miario hatari kihariro.
Tukorwo tukihoya winyihia thiini wa micii thiini wa maturari metu ciugo irarehe thayu na uiguano tutekwanirira na tutekuga maundu ma guthukia uria maundu maria makitwo thiini wa kahinda karaihu thiini wa bururi uyu witu no ningi turie Ngai akorwo agitara meciria ma atongoria aitu meciria atongoria a kanitha ona andu othe tukorwo tugitarwo ni kiugo kia Ngai ati tugakiyuragia ciugo ici ndiratamuka ciugo iria ndiraria ni irahurunja kana ni gucokaniriria.
Today we still shout, crucify the truth, crucify Jesus, who reminds us that we must do right. They want to kill Jesus yet again. We are crucifying him in people suffering. We are crucifying him in the wars that we have, and we are crucifying him in killing the truth.
Riri urugari wa uteti wa mwaka wa 2027 wambiriirie kwambatira a Kenya magitarwo gwithema na mutugo wa uteti wa mahaki uria waya kumalikia wathani-ini moru.
If you want safe drive, get a good driver. Ubaya ni kwamba wengi wetu uhongwa, corruption huanzia hapo. Na hata si jambo geni, wameanza mahala fulani wanaenga na mwaga pesa, zile pesa zinaziza nini?
Our call to all our leaders is to empty themselves for the people of Kenya, sacrifice for this nation. We are seeing a politics of self-preservation, self-actualization. That's not the way of Jesus. The way of Jesus is self-emptying for the sake of others.
Hamwe na maya atongoria ya nimaririkanitie andu kugayana kiria kinini mari na kiona aria ahinyiririku. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.